welcome back to my channel. Today I have two more sisters.
What do we do more? It's that's not since that day.
That's right, we're still in Vietnam today. We're in Hoi An and we're doing a siblings challenge video where we'll ask questions and then we have to see who knows us better. So we'll ask one question and then both of them will answer, and then whoever matches my answer or whoever matches Shaurya's answer, they win. And whoever wins, they get what? Very introvert guys. These are. That's the challenge. Okay,
Then I get
so
roti.
shut up. Do you want to introduce yourself?
No.
Do you want?
Hello everybody, my name is Isha Shetty and I am my parents' true child. She's the picked up from the trash one.
Do you still want to introduce yourself?
No, I'm good. They don't need to know me. I'm just her sister.
To those who don't know, her name is Shaurya. So we have what, 5 questions?
Oh, it's gonna be 12 o'clock. What's my favorite dish?
Dal rice, fish fry.
Next.
Just one, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay. I think it's ganji and fish curry.
it's dal rice and fish fry. It's exactly that.
Wow. Then
But
I'll
mine's easy, nah. I'm very simple like that.
yours I'll tell.
No, you next.
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Quick.
I'll tell.
Huh.
Chicken kebab.
Just
Is
that.
that a meal?
Like dish? No.
Chicken kebab.
Oh, it's kori roti, guys.
Oops.
But chicken kebab also I like. Should I give to y'all?
Yeah.
No, nah. Yours I'll tell.
Mm.
Kori roti.
Mm.
Kuroti.
Why did I say yes?
No, what do you have to guess? What
You
I
should
know?
have
She said
guessed.
yes, no.
It's fine. This is the
Try it,
first
try
one,
it,
so
don't.
it's fine. Yeah.
Okay, fine, I'll
You
get.
cut the points, not count it.
So unfair.
Actually, she should get because she got it exactly right.
But then I don't let you talk.
It is favorite childhood memory of us, all of us together.
I know.
Wait, I'm gonna take.
I know mine. I don't
I
know
know mine.
yours.
It's okay. Let's see if it'll sing.
I think I know hers, but I'm
Wait.
not sure if she'll remember
Wait,
that.
can you tell me like what timeline, like what age, childhood as in when? Before 10th.
Before 10th. Before 10th.
Guys, before your 10th, I was in 3rd or 4th standard.
Huh, that was the timeline that we were all kids.
Kids.
How will I remember?
I think it's fighting for Doll Mandri.
Okay, and you guys.
That is what even I was thinking. For you.
Yeah, for you.
Okay.
No. For you, it is that lift me you used to go and stop in between.
You have to
In our
you
nanny-
choose which one.
I'm sticking with the lift.
Lift.
In our nanny's house, there used to be that old lift, that cage wala, and she had this habit. There was this stop button, and she used to always stop it in midway because we used to get scared. And I think that is your. But sensing her expressions, I think no. For me, it's the lift.
It's there, and for you, it's.
Doll Mandri.
Okay, so do I tell my answer?
1 second. Mandri for context is.
It's a blanket that there was just all of us used to sleep in the hall, and then there was this one blanket that had dolls on it, and it was a very cozy and
somehow
soft.
everybody just wanted that.
Yeah, all of
Where
us
is
used to
it?
fight for it.
It's with
So-
Purnima auntie.
We'll all cut it into pieces and keep. No, one.
So all of us used to fight for it, and I don't know how we used to get assigned to that
We should take
bed
turns.
sheet.
I
Yeah,
think.
something like
Yeah.
that. Huh?
So the actual one is, you remember Vamanjur house?
Hmm.
Auntie Amla, for someone's birthday, we made that video, we danced. It's that.
Yeah, I remember.
Sorry!
Shibaka was there.
No!
Yeah.
Was she there? Sorry, Shiva. But if you're watching. But I remember the 3 of us dancing. I wore that shirt.
I want mustache also. We
Yeah.
Yeah.
Auntie.
Oh god.
Okay. Now quickly guess mine.
Actually, we should guess and then I think tell. It's too much pressure now to think and go back.
Forget it. This is actually very difficult kind of question. I'll just tell what my favorite memory was.
Yeah.
It was to make Pattu cry. Pattu, if you're watching.
So mean, man. I'm not
And
a
I
part of
always
this.
got blamed for it.
Pattu,
The
if
truth
you're
is
watching,
out.
we always used to go to Bangalore from Bangalore, and Pattu used to have one ticket. I think it used to be Karavali Utsav ticket or what. I used to hide it saying it's my Bangalore ticket. And Chikuba and I would go purposely tear it so that she cries.
And
How
guys,
sad, man.
guys, I used to always be blamed for
Yeah,
it
we used to
and
tell
punished for
Shaurya
it.
did it. So, hi Pattu, like, share, subscribe. And Rompa tell.
Mine is no guesses.
No.
Can't. Tired.
Mine is ordering chocolate milkshake for the first time. Chocolate milkshake or something milkshake.
Oh, yeah.
But we were still a little grown up that time.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say exactly, but yeah, okay. We were never treated as a some.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
for context, we've kind of grown up with strict.
Can't say strict,
Not
but
strict,
rather
they're really cool, but we were just scared of ordering anything on our own. I think we had this concept of sharing because we used to be
Yeah.
such a big group. So,
we never had the freedom
Freedom
to
of-
order individual.
Yeah,
Or
because-
maybe we did, but we never tried. It was
we
just
never
a
tried
mental block.
actually. Yeah.
because they
Nobody-
never did that,
yeah.
we never did that.
And they never stopped us, but mentally we never tried
Polite
actually
kids.
ordering anything. Yeah, we were our parents are really lucky to have us.
Bhagesh, Yogesh,
Like, share, subscribe.
if you're watching, drop a heart.
So, I think
Heartbeat.
So I think it was Nivi's Gugu's engagement.
Yeah.
That
Yeah, we
was
were
when-
coming back.
I think when I was
Udupi.
in 12th or degree.
No, I was in 10th, so you were in
Degree.
first year, second year. I was, yeah.
Oh yeah, I was in graduate. I think I was in second year graduation, and that was the first time we ordered something for ourselves on our own, and that was chocolate milkshake. And then we were telling, hey, we ordered individual.
And the
chocolate
memory is so etched in the brain.
Even as of today, that's like the. Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
I think
I
she gets
forgot.
one chocolate for this.
Shut up. No. Okay, the next question. The next question is: if I'm in a bad mood, what's the fastest way to cheer me up?
Can I say it
For whom?
for you?
Huh?
Just leave her alone. It's scary. You're right or wrong doesn't matter. Just shut up.
I don't know about. See, definitely leave her alone to calm down, but to cheer her up, possibly some snacks. Just give her food. Just throw her in a room and throw some snacks and she'll be fine.
That used to be. Before.
Can you throw her?
That
when
used to
she's
be-
in that mood?
That used to be before. Now I'm healthy. No, actually,
We just bought some chips. Was it? Do you want a snack as we talk?
actually, it's food. Yeah, I get irritated when
You're hungry.
Yeah, I think it's the same with Shaurya.
Yeah.
Why did you answer?
It's not. That's
To cheer you up.
food helps, but that's not my answer. Haha. Try again.
Should I change my answer?
Beep beep. Yeah.
Music or just let her
I
be.
think just alone time.
yeah, just let her be.
Yours?
Mine, I don't get angry. I calm down very easily.
Actually, I've never seen her angry.
I've seen.
I get angry, but I lose it in
Yeah.
seconds. I don't.
I've never seen her stay angry.
Yeah.
Then we'll just. What is it called?
Cut it, Shanice.
Scrap this question. Any phobia I have?
I do.
I also do, but then I don't know the word for it.
It's okay, you can describe it.
Huh.
I have many.
Oh, we are supposed to guess.
Sure.
Even I have many now. now.
Speed?
Oh, I love speed.
Yeah, she loves
Some
speed.
new thing I'm telling. No,
Uh-huh,
because
no.
all this while she said she's scared to go in roller coasters. That's what I'm saying.
Since when? She was the one who'll always sit front in the group.
Yeah, but recently
With
she
random
said no.
people.
I should answer.
Who is guessing whose?
I'm telling roller coaster.
But that's
one of
not
it.
phobia, no.
It can be if you put it the right way.
Height.
No,
I am
sometimes
guessing.
Am I supposed to answer or should I?
Wait, I am guessing. She used to never be scared of height, but now because she told that something she used to like before and she has a phobia for it now, I am guessing height. What do you think?
like anything that makes her.
Stomach come in her mouth.
Yeah, something like that. Like
That's-
any adventure sport or anything.
Should I answer?
Ah.
It's height and water.
Water!
Yeah.
What I did not know.
It's new.
I am only getting all points.
wait, shouldn't I be guessing yours as well?
Huh. Guess
Isha's
mine.
is horror movies.
That I wouldn't say phobia, but yeah, I hate it.
That's
it's
not
not
phobia.
phobia.
Round, is that a phobia?
No man, that I
No,
like.
no.
That is that you don't like.
Maggie, we've done it. Gang, Ooty gang.
Subscribe, guys. Yours height?
No, I love height.
Yeah.
Man.
I don't know.
It's very easy. When I say it, you'll go.
Shh. Okay, say it.
Anything that flutters, birds and cockroaches.
Oh.
Ew.
Mine, I think y'all can't guess.
Yeah?
I think no water. She's not
No,
water,
she loves water. She loves adventure, I think. Can't be that.
It's something y'all can't guess. But put a guess. You're not guessing?
No.
A lot of dots will be there.
Oh,
but I
that
don't.
tripod.
I hate it. I can't with that. I just
You
don't
can't. You can never. There's an artist who does
Yeah.
that, and there's an entire museum with that.
I hate it.
I can't with that.
I agree.
Okay. Very lame questions, but still like, share, subscribe. Favorite movie genre? It's very easy for Shaurya. I can guess it's horror.
Yeah, horror for her.
Wrong.
Eh?
Rom-com.
Sad movies.
No.
Comedy.
Not at all.
Then
What is left?
Man, action
Crime,
movies.
thriller.
Oh yeah, Deepak and Shaurya like thriller, murder mysteries. Okay, guess mine.
Rom-com. Tarak Mehta.
I think sports or
Me?
yeah.
Booth Kola.
Who is she staying with?
I think rom-com.
Yeah, I like cringe rom-com. Really? I watched so many K-dramas, man.
I was just going to say
I
that.
just did this.
I was just
I
going to
get
say
the
that.
point.
K-drama is well.
And Isha's is
Isha's-
comedy.
No.
No.
Oh. I think Isha's is... She
Thriller.
doesn't have a...
Yeah,
genre.
she doesn't.
Do I get the point?
She doesn't watch only.
Yeah, she gets the point. She said no.
Sometimes not knowing also you win.
What irritates me the most?
There are so on. The list goes on.
Yeah, do
Can
it.
I know two at the top of my head.
Okay,
One
of it
is someone who chews loud.
With the mouth open.
Yeah. For example.
Shut up.
And second is someone who breathes loudly.
Oh, that is so difficult.
I know, like...
I'm controlling now. I'm working on it, but I don't like people.
What's the weird
Like we
issues,
can't
man?
meditate around her. Not that we do, but...
Why you can't? I'm breathing silently now. You also had the same answer.
Yeah.
She didn't answer really, but
No,
yeah,
I don't know.
I can still take breathing loudly. I don't like it, but still. But you can't sit with me and chew loudly. Please shut your mouth, Shanice. Yours. What is yours? It's difficult to
It's
guess.
not at all difficult.
What?
For the past 3 days at least I've been saying it.
So, someone who does not listen to what she's saying and he makes her repeat 100
Don't get too
times.
personal.
No, I can tell.
That's just the smart one being smart. Because in the beginning she called me stupid, so let's call her smart here. If you get it, you get it.
People acting dumb.
That's funny, but that's not.
Because in the airport, she literally put paper inside the baggage. Tell man, what do you guess? I think people being very
When
slow.
I'm gonna answer, I'm gonna be like, share.
Changing plans for you.
It's not that deep. I'll say it.
Ah.
Loud, annoying burps.
This is so boring.
Yeah, she gets to judge, but that's what it is. She listens and she gets to judge. But yeah, burps.
Wow, what is her? What irritates her is everything.
No.
No, I think anyone who pokes her while driving.
Yeah.
Why did you answer?
That is correct. But that is correct.
Never took me around, so I don't know.
You'll go in scooter, how will you know?
in Bangalore also.
Last question, out of the blue, makes no sense and none of us know about it. What's our Insta bio?
Oh my god. I don't even know my own, but I want to take a guess at hers. I think it's co-founder of that Landlord.
Ah, but that's not a bio. Like it's on my bio.
What's
You've
the
got
bio?
half right.
You've got
The
the
like some
description kind of
description.
thing.
Oh,
But you're right, half right, because that is.
I just know that's there. And then human. Just breathing. Wait.
Human.
Human. Breathing.
No, I think it's human.
But I said it first.
She's like, it's human with a full stop.
Huh. But I get it. I get
Who's
the point.
breathing, man?
Just because she likes to breathe.
Even if she doesn't like to breathe, she has to.
Oh, it's human.
And yours had color flags,
Yeah.
but she's taken it off. I know that, but I don't know what it is now.
Something to travel?
No, I don't think so.
It was. We did that before.
I don't think she's written anything, but do you know what oh, I don't know. Something's there?
I think Amsterdam, Netherlands ka flag is there.
That's like the location, right? That is there. But something else is also there, and that I don't know. No.
That's live with no regrets.
Oh.
When I started Instagram, Prarthana told me to update that bio because you always needed a description. And from that time, it's still the same.
Correct.
That's it. Yours, I think, is it India, UK, Australia flags?
I'll tell you. It is Bangalore,
Melbourne.
Manchester, Melbourne.
No, it's not so big. It's Bangalore, Manchester, Melbourne. Or it's India.
Bangalore's there for sure. Bangalore, Manchester.
So big, I
Manchester,
don't think
Melbourne.
so.
She's right. But is there something else? I don't know.
Wait, let us check.
No, I'm right. I know. Yesterday only.
I know that.
That's why I've not seen. Sorry, guys. Bangalore.
Oh! How can you forget the moon?
It's it's Bangalore, Manchester, Melbourne. Sorry.
Wait, let's check Isha's.
Actually, I don't know what's mine.
Human Curious.
Curious.
Founder Bangalore.
Curious. I told you something else is there. That's why I said breathing.
I don't know. What is yours?
Live with no regrets.
What is Jalpuri there?
I'm like, moment.
Oh, I got half right. Netherlands ka flag.
And then I have my YouTube description because that, my friends, means you need to like, share, subscribe. And if you like this video, you know what to do.
Like, share, subscribe, and ask questions to your siblings.
And don't, please prepare well because our questions were just out of
Blah.
nowhere. But still, we'll upload this video and you'll have to.
Like, share, and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one.
Ciao. Come ka.
Come on.
Come on. Maka.